Hi, I'm Les Smith, President and CEO of Extreme Trailers, LLC. With over 34 years of experience, I formed Extreme Trailers to address the current issues that I see in the marketplace. Through our patent pending floor, our CRT components, and also our patent pending interior frame cross members. We have in most cases reduced tare weight by 1,000 pounds, in some cases up to 2,000 pounds. We've also addressed reduced maintenance costs. We've accomplished that through bolt-on components such as bolt-on bumpers, easy access panels for lighting and air. We've also separated our air and electric components so that they can easily be accessed and maintained. By focusing on our key principles, our ultimate goal is to increase profitability for you. We accomplish that by the opportunity of reducing deadhead miles, increasing loaded miles, and opening up opportunities for backhauls. With our focus on increased safety, we have developed a component that we refer to as an Extreme Tube. This product was developed to ensure that the load securement device was fully engaged in our J-track. In most cases, you'll see that when you cross-tie or cross-chain in a typical J-hook, it does not stay squarely engaged into the floor. If you'd like to learn more about Extreme Trailers, please visit our website at www.extremetrailersllc.com or please give me a call at 330-257-9409. Thank you and have a great day.